And this is our last segment on Smart Up Your Life for tonight, smart listener. And as usual, in the last session of our program, my friends from BPEC Makassar will share to you the expressions, idioms, and also vocabulary. So, who wants to be the first?
Mr. Nahwi mungkin.
Okay, maybe. Okay, so I'm going to be the first one sharing the several idioms that maybe later on usable for you guys. So first idioms is feel under the weather. So feel under the weather meaning that you feel not okay at the moment. For example, in sentences. Today I'm really feeling under the weather. Jadi hari ini kayak sakit gitu. Jadi itu sakitnya bisa kayak you have a terrible cold or etc. Kayak
if you bad mood gitu.
Maybe it's something different. This is like just specifically towards certain disease, specifically towards cold itself. And then second of all is once in a blue moon. Maybe some of you guys has heard this kind of things. So once in a blue moon meaning that sesuatu yang kayak jarang terjadi gitu. In the sentence you may say like I only go to cinema once in a blue moon. Jadi saya ke bioskop itu kayak jarang banget. Okay, that's all for me. Maybe next.
Okay, once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
And I'm feeling under weather. Yeah. I'm feeling under the weather.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nahwi.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay. The second one is Mr. Dedi.
Yes, mungkin karena kita lagi bicara tentang World Ocean Days dan World Environment Days, jadi hari ini aku mau kasih kosakata dan phrase yang relevan sama hari tadi yang kita bahas.
Yes,
ada ebbs and flows. Ebbs and flows itu adalah phrase yang artinya pasang surut. Jadi
ebbs
ini
and
flows. Jadi
ebbs
bisa digunakan misalkan kita mau bilang pasang surut kehidupan, pasang surut percintaan, pasang surut
not only for the ocean.
Not only for ocean, pasang surut keuangan juga bisa. Ebbs and flow about money, ebbs and flow about
ups
love.
and flow of financial.
That's so true. It means dompetnya menipis.
Yes.
Dan ada depletion. Depletion itu artinya
How to spell it?
Depletion, DEPLETION. Depletion artinya penipisan. Jadi biasa digunakan kalau kita mau bilang ozone depletion, artinya penipisan ozon.
Oh yes.
Okay, and then segregate, SEGREGATE, segregate atau memisah. Jadi biasa kita gunakan untuk katanya segregate the trashes, memisahkan sampah.
Oh yes.
Segregate the trashes, segregate. Dan ada drought. DROUGHT, pasti sering dengar ya, drought. Kalau misalkan nggak pernah hujan tuh,
kemarau dong.
Kemarau, itu ada drought.
Drought.
Misalkan karena kan sekarang ada masa tentang World Environmental Day tentang World Scarcity, kekurangan air ya. Jadi makanya aku mau kasih drought.
So it's not hot ya, but drought.
Drought
is dry. And kering, and the main is kemarau.
That's so true. Dan terakhir ada detrimental. Detrimental itu adalah kosakata akademik untuk kita mau bilang merusak. Jadi detrimental effect of pollution misalkan. Jadi efek yang sangat merusak dari polusi. Jadi sering gunakan itu jika kalian ingin berbicara tentang environment dan stuff yang related kayak gitu.
So may you repeat the first one is
ebbs and flow.
Pasang surut. So the
second one depletion.
Depletion is
Penipisan. Ketiga ada segregate. Memisahkan. Yang tadi segregating trashes. Yup. And fourth is drought. Kemarau. Dan terakhir,
the last one is
detrimental.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dedi. The last one is from Mr. Achang.
Okay, hello guys. Actually, I can make sure it is the unfamiliar. I mean, it is in. I think it is include, but it is unfamiliar word. But please correct my pronunciation.
Yes.
That's okay. Just say
okay, I will try.
Just say it. We learn together in this program.
Actually, I have several vocab. The first is habitat julukan. Yes, it is right.
May I say that? Okay, dissipate. Dissipate. Yeah, that's okay.
And the second of all,
what's the meaning of?
Artinya dissipate.
it means julukan.
Oh, julukan.
Ya, kayak which is kayak
How to put it in the sentence?
The epithet of
epithet.
apa? Julukan dari apa?
Oh,
The epithet is a noun.
yes.
The epithet.
Okay, the second of all is
Susah banget bahasanya.
it's
The
very
unfamiliar
hard.
word.
Very
Yeah.
unfamiliar.
Wow.
That's good.
Really unfamiliar.
How to say? Havoc.
Yeah.
Have
It means
Havoc.
malapetaka, right?
Oh my God.
Such as flooding, banjir,
Oh, yes, yes.
pollution, and etc.
Nauzubillah.
Nah, nauzubillah.
Nauzubillah.
And the last maybe interdict. It means melarang.
Oh,
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, that's so new for me.
Thank you so much, Mr. Acham. We got so much knowledge
Yeah.
for tonight, and also I think so for you, smart listener. And I'm sure that you got very much vocabularies and also idioms, and yes, the new word that you can use on your daily conversation, especially if you are talking about the environmental day. So thank you so much, guys, for tonight, and I have to see you again next week.
Yeah,
So
of course.
do not be bored to come here.
Sure.
And also for you, smart listener, thank you for listening to our conversation for this last 1 hour of conversation. So thank you. We'll see you again next week.
Swig.
Okay.
Terima Majid signing out. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank
guys.
you.